No man is an island. Getting the right friends around you boosts your rate of success in life. Sometimes life is full of ups and downs, but nature gives us hope and a belief. Sometimes you have to be free from family, school, work, and of course, city pressure that enrages you. If you don't believe in God, at least let His creation be a witness to you. If don't give up was real, I would suggest nature represents it. At the end, you become frantic after you are done crossing each barrier of the nature. Nature is beautiful. It's never fades and